This is everything you need to know to lay crazy paving. Hey, my name's Beck. Thinking about adding a new pathway to your outdoors? Crazy pavers are a great way to add a unique texture and look to your next outdoor flooring project, and it's easily achievable. Let's get into it. There are so many different pavers available, sizes, textures and colours. So think about where and why you're laying the pavers and work backwards from there. Now that you've selected the paver, it's time to get breaking. On a clean surface, use a hammer to break the pavers into various shapes and sizes for your pattern. Aim to have a good mix of small, medium and large pieces. So now that we've done the breaking, it's time to give the concrete a good clean. So give it a good sweep and a good wash so that the adhesive will stick to the concrete base and to the pavers. Now that the concrete's clean and dry, it's time to apply the primer. Using a paintbrush or a roller to evenly apply it is the best way. Now that the primer's set, it's time to lay the crazy path. Now the edges are going to be somewhat structured to follow the line of the concrete, but the smaller pieces we'll use to inlay to create that crazy feel. Let's get creative. Start with the larger pieces and get them into position, and then work down in size by filling the gaps with the medium and then the smaller pieces, ensuring that you've got even spacing in between. You can either lay the patterned pavements entirely like this, or do this section by section. If you're doing this by section like I am, once you're happy with your design, take a photo of it and then move it forward ready for the glue. The next step is mixing your glue, so follow the instructions on the back of the bag, mix up your first batch. Use a notch trowel to apply a 15mm layer of tile adhesive on the concrete and place the pavers down one at a time. As you make your way through, step back to ensure you're happy with the placement before moving on. From here we need to apply the grout. So mix the product in a bucket with water, following the directions on the back. Using a grout float, push it into the gaps, ensuring there are no air bubbles. And once you've done that, use a sponge to wash the remaining grout off the pavers. To protect your pavers, apply 2 coats of tile and grout sealer, following the instructions on the can, and wait for it to dry before walking on it. And there you have it, all the skills and knowledge you need to lay crazy paving. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.